Hello, I'm Dr.Mahishma. I'm a consultant pediatrician at Cloudnine Hospitals, Hitech branch, Hyderabad. So picky eating and fussy eating is one of the commonest concerns that parents come to us for toddler age kid. There is no one solution that can fit, and there is no one solution that can solve this problem easily. It will take a lot of variety, and also it will take a lot of time and consistency to solve this issue. There are multiple things which a family can do. The first thing is limiting screen time and eating as a family. So family dinner time or family lunch time is very important. It can help them concentrate on the food. The second thing is to avoid giving any treat foods. That is, if the child is eating something which you want him to eat and then compensate it by giving a prize food like some dessert, is not recommended at all, because it will only encourage the child to dislike the food that we are giving and make him like the dessert or whatever prize food which you are giving. That is one thing which we do not recommend at all. So no prize food at all. Third thing is, don't make them force. It's the same mechanism. Force feeding will only make them dislike the food which we are giving. One important thing which the family can cultivate is to make them involved in menu planning and in also cooking according to their age. You can make them involved. Always involving in food planning and food preparation will help them develop a liking to the food, and also which will make them interesting and also develop a liking to the preparation because they have been involved in the process. This is one thing which we always recommend to all kids who are fussy eaters. And lastly, please encourage them to develop bridges. That is, bridges is if you have introduced them to a similar kind of food like potatoes, after making them eat potatoes, then introduce something similar like sweet potato, which normally children don't like. But potato and sweet potatoes will have a similar profile and taste and liking. So it will be easier to introduce them once they've started liking potatoes. So always go with variety of foods, make them get involved in food preparation, and it will take a little more time and especially consistency from the family to make them get involved with food.